Alright.
Good day, everyone. And for today, we're going to have an activity that is called The Boat is Sinking, but in Rock Cycle Edition. But before that, we must know what is rock cycle is. The rock cycle is the natural process that describes how rock change from one type to another over time. So, guys, rock cycle happens in a million years. Let us remember that. And also, that there are three main types of rocks, that is the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, are formed and transformed through the process like melting, cooling, erosion, compacting, heat, and pressure. And it's a continuous cycle that shapes Earth's surface. So, rock cycle is a process that is continuously, and it's a natural process. And as you can see, the Earth now, the Earth is transformed, or the Earth has been like this. It's because also in a factor, or it's because of a rock cycle. So now, we're gonna go through the mechanics of the game. So the mechanics of this game is that we must have a 5 to 30 players. And also an open space. And also a game leader which will say the command, which is me. And that and for the actual game is that as I call out the command, they must do what types of rock or what types of cycle I will say. And also I will include of how much should be in a group. For example, like this. The boat is sinking. Form yourselves into a magma in a group of 1.
Nanya penting ko sa tingin.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into a igneous rock in a group of 2.
Form dili group.
The boat is sinking.
Form.
Form yourselves into a sedimentary in a group of 3.
Bye-bye.
The boat is sinking. Form yourselves into a metamorphic in a form of 2. Pile. Pile. Metamorphic pile.